Siku tatu baada ya chama cha wafanyabiashara katika kaunti ya Kajiado kuandaa uchaguzi na kuwateua viongozi wake, kundi lingine limejitokeza na kupinga uchaguzi huo likidai kuwa kulikuwa na amri ya mahakama ya kusimamisha shughuli hiyo. Kundi hilo likiongozwa na mwaniaji kiti cha mwenyekiti Nelson Lenina linasema kuwa hawakujitokeza kushiriki uchaguzi huo kufuatia kuwepo kwa amri ya mahakama, na hivyo hawatambui uchaguzi ulioandaliwa siku ya Ijumaa.
As the CEO, head of secretariat, I was not present, and so we do not recognize that as an election. Maybe there was a show that was happening there. There was a court order which was issued yesterday, and everybody was served, including a body that is charged with the mandate to conduct elections within the chamber, IEB, and the chairman himself was served with an order to stop that elections. But erroneously, they have gone ahead to do it, and that's a clear indication of court, contempt of court.
Therefore, I know that the election that has been done is null and void because there were no competitors for the race from the top to the bottom.
There were some people who were added in that list up to from 71 to 160, about 90 members who were added in that list, who are not known to us. They are not our members. We do not know who they are, and they have happened that today they have purportedly conducted a sham election here in Kajiado, and purporting that they are representing the Chamber of Commerce.
There was a court order which was a dispute of membership, not the AGM and not the election process. Unfortunately, the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce